Managing projects, clients, and files simultaneously can feel like juggling too many tasks at once, but in SuiteDash, it's all about streamlining your workflow and staying organized. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to juggle all three without losing your mind. And stick around, I'll also share some amazing alternatives that could be even better for your needs, along with an exclusive offer. So, first things first, SuiteDash brings all the essential tools for managing projects, clients, and files into one place. One of its standout features is the ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously with its robust project management dashboard. You can create tasks, assign them to clients or team members, set deadlines, and track progress, all from a single interface. It's a solid option, but where it falls short for many is in its flexibility. While it does offer an array of customization options, it might feel a little too rigid if you need advanced features like custom workflows or more complex project visualizations. Next thing, let's talk clients. SuiteDash allows you to manage your client relationships effectively by giving you the ability to create client portals. Through these portals, you can share files, collaborate on projects, and communicate seamlessly with your clients. It's a great tool for maintaining transparency, but it might lack some of the deeper CRM features that other platforms offer. For example, SuiteDash does have a CRM feature, but if you're looking for something with more detailed tracking or advanced reporting, you might find it limiting. The fourth thing, file management. SuiteDash allows you to store and share files directly within each project, which keeps everything in one place and avoids clutter. However, this can also be a double-edged sword. If you need a more advanced file sharing system with powerful search features or tighter integrations with other tools like Google Drive or Dropbox, SuiteDash may not fully meet your expectations. It's good, but not the best for teams that need intricate file management or sophisticated syncing. Now, let's talk about communication. The platform does a decent job of integrating email and messaging features, but if you're running a large operation with heavy client communication, you might find the email integration clunky and lacking. The messaging system is straightforward, but it's not as robust as other alternatives. So while it'll get the job done, don't expect it to replace tools like Slack or more advanced email marketing systems. Finally, if you're looking for something that seamlessly integrates all your needs, project management, client relations, and file sharing, SuiteDash is a decent option. But if you're searching for a platform that excels in each of these areas, you might want to consider alternatives that specialize in specific tasks, like Monday.com for project management or Honeybook for client relations. In fact, there are some amazing alternatives that not only focus on your project management, client, and file needs, but do it better. And I've got a special surprise for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of SuiteDash. But I'll also show you other tools with free trials that might just be the perfect fit for your goals. These alternatives are designed to give you more flexibility, more integrations, and better customization to truly optimize your business processes. Check out the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out.